So now guys, I put it all around the potato here. 3 varieties. The Dutch cream, they have already grown here. And then the other one is Russet Burbank. And the other one is red royal potato. See, pure good seeds from the respectable farmer. So as you can see, if you see the seeds of potato like this and they look like wet, don't bother to plant it guys, because you'll get end up with rotten. So after everything, the first batch here, we have to put a little bit in here, although I already did in the bottom. Then you have to repeat this again months or so. You can say every 2 months. Yeah, this is a blood and bone manure, some few of this, and then we put a compost on the top. Then we're gonna put another layer. Okay, it's gonna go get another layer of soil or compost in here. The compost here supposed to be only put some few, but I'm gonna put some few here and then a good premium soil. Cheers. Put a spit it all over. Then we're gonna go with the nice premium soil. Alright, you don't have to put too much of this mushroom compost. Then we're gonna go at least 8 or 10 inches soil on the top. Then we're gonna layer more of this potato. I'll be back. Open the nice premium potting mix soil here, guys. Now we're gonna put them all like about 10, between 8 to 10 inches thicker. Then we're gonna put our potato. I'll be back. I think that should be fine. If it's still not, then I gonna put another one here. One of this spade. Alright, it's gonna flatten it and then we put the potato. We have to put some 3 variety each. Okay, go with daddy. Go with daddy boy. Hey, come here. Come on. Come here. Visitor. Okay, go with dad. Bye-bye. He's such a good dog. See, 3 here and 3 of the each. I'll see you soon. Here is our arrangement, guys. This is what I do. So this happy now, I won't gonna put like this anymore. Dig it bury it, but instead I'm gonna put like this. So this time I arrange it. It should be 3 or 4. With the distance. Cheers. Now we're gonna do the same, bury them.